Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how Valentine's week can make you feel behind, unseen, or like love is something that you're still waiting for? Here's the truth that most people don't say out loud. If love doesn't start with you, it will never feel stable when it comes from someone else. And today, I want to talk about why that is and how to gently change it. Valentine's Day has taught us that love is something we receive, something external, something we earn by being enough for someone else. But real love, the kind that feels safe and calm and grounded, starts internally. Because when you don't love yourself first, love from others feels fragile. You question it, you overgive, you settle. You lose yourself trying to keep it. And that's not love, that's survival. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Janice Story, nurse, wellness educator, and the founder of AG's Infusions. And this is the Essential Wellness Podcast, where we talk about real life wellness, not perfection, not pressure, just practical ways to care for yourself in a busy world. And today's episode is especially for you if Valentine's week feels complicated. As always, this podcast is for educational and inspirational purposes only and is not a substitute for medical advice. Self-love isn't about being selfish. It's about being regulated. It's listening to your body instead of overriding it. It's resting without guilt. It's choosing calm over chaos. And it's saying no without explaining yourself. Self-love is nervous system care. And here's the part that changes everything. The way that you love yourself teaches other people how to love you. So this week, instead of asking, why hasn't love shown up for me yet? Try asking, how am I showing up for myself? Because love doesn't need an audience. And it doesn't need proof. And it doesn't need to arrive louder than your inner voice. It starts quietly with how you treat yourself when no one else is watching. So let's just take a pause for a moment. Let's take a slow, deep breath in through our nose and hold it and release it gently. And place a hand over your heart or somewhere grounding and repeat with me. I don't need to earn love. I am worthy of care right now. I choose kindness towards myself today. And one more breath in and hold it and release. That right there, my friends, that is love in practice. When love starts with you, your standards rise, your energy steadies, and your relationships shift. Your body feels safer. Love that starts within won't beg. It doesn't chase. It doesn't disappear when the things get hard, or when things get hard, it stays. You've just listened to AJ's EO Infusions Essential Wellness Podcast with me, Janice Story. If this episode resonated, go ahead and share it with someone who needs permission to love themselves first, especially this week. And until next time, move gently, care deeply, and remember, love starts with you. Before we wrap up, I just want to share a few gentle ways to support yourself beyond this episode. In the Glow Tools library, you'll find tools I personally use and recommend to support calm, clarity, and consistency in everyday life. If you want a little more structure, the Lip Ritual Method Masterclass walks you through turning small moments of care into something sustainable. And if reflection helps your process, the Aromatherapy Feeling Good workbook is there to guide you through that. Everything is linked for you in the show notes, so explore what feels right when it feels right. Thank you for being here with me.